Hello beautiful viewers and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that will define your eyes with precision and style. We'll be comparing two popular eye makeup products, cream eyeliner and gel eyeliner. If you're looking to achieve that perfect winged eyeliner or a sultry smoke eye, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into this cream eyeliner versus gel eyeliner showdown and discover which one will take your eye makeup game to the next level. Let's begin with an introduction to cream eyeliner. Cream eyeliner comes in a small pot and has a creamy and smooth consistency. It is applied with an angled eyeliner brush, allowing for precise lines and versatile styles. Cream eyeliner is known for its rich pigmentation, providing intense and bold eye looks that won't smudge easily. Now let's unveil the gel eyeliner. Gel eyeliner comes in a gel-like formulation and is usually housed in a small pot or a twist-up pencil. It is applied with an eyeliner brush, similar to cream eyeliner. Gel eyeliner also offers rich color payoff, making it perfect for creating defined and sharp lines. When it comes to application techniques, both cream eyeliner and gel eyeliner offer precision and control. The creamy texture of cream eyeliner allows for smooth and effortless application. It glides on easily, making it a great choice for beginners and those who prefer a more forgiving application process. On the other hand, gel eyeliner's gel-like formula provides a slightly thicker consistency, allowing for bolder lines and more intricate eye look. Longevity and smudge-proof performance are essential for any eyeliner. Cream eyeliner's creamy and long-wearing formula offers excellent staying power, making it resistant to smudging and fading throughout the day. Gel eyeliner is also known for its longevity and smudge-proof properties, ensuring your eye makeup stays intact even during long wear. Both cream eyeliner and gel eyeliner allow you to create various eye makeup styles. Cream eyeliner's smooth and blendable texture is perfect for achieving soft, smudged looks like smoky eyes. It also works well for dramatic cat eyes and precise winged eyeliner. Gel eyeliner's thicker consistency allows for bold and defined lines, making it ideal for classic winged eyeliner and graphic eye designs. The choice between cream eyeliner and gel eyeliner can also depend on your eye shape. Cream eyeliner's creamy texture works exceptionally well for those with dry or mature skin around the eyes, as it glides on smoothly without tugging. Gel eyeliner's thicker formula is suitable for those with oily eyelids or hooded eyes, as it sets quickly and stays in place. When it's time to remove your eye makeup, both cream eyeliner and gel eyeliner are relatively easy to take off. They can be removed using makeup remover wipes or a gentle eye makeup remover. However, it's essential to avoid rubbing or pulling on the delicate eye area to prevent irritation. Overall, both cream eyeliner and gel eyeliner are fantastic choices for achieving stunning eye makeup looks. Cream eyeliner's creamy texture provides smooth application and versatility, while gel eyeliner's gel-like formula offers bold and defined lines. Whichever one you choose, your eyes will undoubtedly steal the show. Thank you for joining us for this eye-catching cream eyeliner versus gel eyeliner showdown. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more makeup tips and tutorials. Share your favorite eyeliner in the comments below. Until next time, keep those eyes looking fabulous and stay beautiful. Bye!